I'm Judge Mulroy. I'm glad you clicked on this video. It'll make you better in traffic court.
Yes, I am glad you clicked on this video because not only will I make you better in traffic court, I will help you win in traffic court. And trust that if I'm putting it out there like this, it takes no more than 4 words to manifest this into your reality. Let's see what they say you should do when you go to traffic court.
Pay attention. When you hear your name called, go immediately to the judge and tell the judge what you want to do. I want to plead guilty, Judge, or I want a trial.
All right, let's talk about that name. See, that name is not your name. Well, I know you think it's your name, but when you were born, your name had a little more on this birth certificate that they left off for you. Yeah, see, you would add estate, because that birth certificate was the creation of your estate by you, the grantor, also known as the settlor. The owner basically has liability because your parents nor you knew any better. You all have settled for the role of trustee, which basically means you pay for everything. Well, they call the name, you get up and say, "That's me, tell me how much to pay." See, are you not aware that you can choose to be in any position on this diagram? I appoint you trustee. So which position do you choose? You've been trustee before. I appoint you trustee. I appoint you trustee.
Barbara Burns.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And for the first time in your life, you are a participant in the game and know exactly what the game is. Every time you answer to that name in some kind of court setting, the state or the position of beneficiary was stolen from you, and you were never allowed to take your rightful position as executor of the estate, which, by the way, is now your new name. You are from the office of the executor of the first name, middle name, last name estate, eliminating any previous trustees but the ability to appoint new ones.
My name is Barbara Burns, and I would like to plead not guilty and have a trial.
And Miss Barbara Burns is showing us exactly what not to do, because that is placing you under their jurisdiction when you are so much higher than them. You may be asked, are you first, middle, last name? And you can respond, I am current occupant of the office of the executor of the first name, middle name, last name, estate, and I appoint you as trustee. Today you are first name, middle name, last name, aren't you? And by doing that before entering a plea, you've switched places with the judge.
Thank you, Ms. Burns. I'll call your case for trial as soon as I finish with my other cases.
You better believe he will call your case after his other cases, because he knows that you know the setup and that it is probate court and you are just answering to someone that is trying to administer the estate you are executor of without proper authority. What gives you that authority? Well, that document that you thought was your identity, that you are the only one that can get a copy of it because you are a member of the trust. Those that try and administer the estate without authority have no copy of it. They're pretending to be you, and that is what you're calling them on, in their language, in their code, in their game, but to your advantage. Before you go saying I'm crazy or that it won't work, don't you think it'd be worth a try before you go paying another $400 or $500 fine? I would have no problem making a fool out of myself in front of a room full of strangers I'll never see again if I were gonna save $500. I appoint you trustee. I appoint you trustee. Until you find your truth, keep looking.